Hey guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I'm going over the Rear Delt Fly here. So the Rear Delt Fly Machine, you want to have the handles pushed all the way closest to the machine. The seat raises up and down according to your heights. Whenever you're performing this exercise, be sure you keep your traps down and back and keep your chest up. We want to be pushing with this bottom portion, the outside piece of our hand here. So on the handles, you don't even really need to grip it all the way. We want to be pushing right here with this piece of the hand and coming out only to parallel. You don't want to come back any further than parallel, because as soon as you do, it causes the front of your shoulders to drop and your traps to raise, and then your traps are doing most of the work for the exercise. We want to be hitting just this tiny little piece, that back portion of the back of our shoulder. So, coming in high chest. We also want to place your abdomen on the pad to give you a little bit of support. Coming straight out to parallel. And you can have your fingers straight out. You can slightly hold them on the handle. This is a great machine, great way to isolate that tiny little back portion of the shoulder that's really hard for most people to hit.